Picture this. Warriors with katanas roaming ancient forests, now replaced by neon-lit skyscrapers and bullet trains. How did Japan transform from a land of samurai to a tech powerhouse? Today, we're traveling through Japan's incredible history. Over 2,000 years of battles, art, and innovation. Stick around to see how it all unfolded, and let's dive into this fascinating story together. Japan's story starts long before samurai, way back in 600 BC. The islands were home to the Jomon people, hunters and fishers who crafted some of the world's oldest pottery. Think intricate clay pots still dug up today. Fast forward to 300 AD, and the Yamato clan took charge, uniting tribes into Japan's first real state. They built massive burial mounds called kofun, some shaped like keyholes, visible from the sky, showing off their power. By 500 AD, Buddhism arrived from Korea, changing everything. Temples sprang up like Horyuji in Nara. It's still standing, the world's oldest wooden building. The Yamato rulers embraced writing too, borrowing Chinese characters to create Japanese script. Imagine monks in robes, copying texts by candlelight. That's Japan's foundation. Then came the Heian period, around 794 AD. The capital moved to Kyoto, and it was a golden age. Nobles in silk wrote poetry, like the Tale of Genji, the world's first novel. But outside the palaces, warriors were rising. This was Japan's ancient soul, peaceful, artistic, and ready for what's next. Now, let's step into Japan's feudal era. It's where the samurai shine. By the 1100s, noble families lost control, and warrior clans took over. The Minamoto won a big war in 1185, and their leader, Yoritomo, became Japan's first shogun, a military ruler. Picture this. Samurai in armor, loyal to their lords, wielding razor-sharp katanas. They lived by Bushido, a code of honor, bravery, loyalty, and death before disgrace. For centuries, Japan was a patchwork of warring domains. Think Game of Thrones with rice fields. Castles popped up like Himeji, all white walls and curved roofs, still standing today. But chaos ended in 1603, when Tokugawa Ieyasu won at Sekigahara, a battle with 160,000 soldiers. He became shogun and locked Japan down. No foreigners, no guns, just 250 years of peace called the Edo period. Edo, now Tokyo, grew into a bustling city. Merchants sold silk, artisans made woodblock prints. Those colourful scenes of Mount Fuji, that's from then. Samurai patrolled, but peace dulled their blades. This era shaped Japan's culture, tea ceremonies, kabuki theatre, all while the world outside marched on. Japan couldn't stay isolated forever. In 1853, American ships, black and steaming, forced trade talks. The shogun fell, and in 1868, Emperor Meiji took over. This Meiji restoration flipped the script. Japan modernized fast. Samurai swapped swords for suits, factories rose, and railroads crisscrossed the islands. By 1905, Japan beat Russia in a war. Asia's first modern power was born. World War II hit hard, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, but Japan rebuilt. By the 1960s, Tokyo hosted the Olympics, showing off bullet trains and TVs. Today it's a tech giant. Robots, anime, Nintendo, all rooted in that Meiji push. Walk Shibuya Crossing. Millions cross daily under blazing lights. From feudal fields to this, it's elite few countries match. Japan's journey, from ancient pottery to skyscrapers, is a wild ride through time. What part surprised you most? The samurai code? Meiji's leap? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every one. Love exploring the world like this? Subscribe now. Next Friday we're tackling Egypt's timeline. Let's keep the adventure going.